So today we're going to take the if function in spreadsheets. The Excel if function runs a logical test and returns one value for a true result and another for a false result. So for example here, all right, the conditions are this: failed or passed. So if the value of this grade is lower than 50%, then we should see here failed remarks. Otherwise, we should see passed. So to do that, we're going to click on the cell where we want to put the result. Go to the Formula tab and select Logical. So from here, click If. Now for the logical test, you can click on this. So if this is, let's say, lower than 50%, so if B4 is lower than 50, then we should write there failed. If it's false, then write passed. Once you're done, just click OK. So here, we did this correctly. If it's 50 and above, then we should see a remark of passed. So 50, 51, 55, there you go. And then 49, failed. 48, failed. That's how to use the if condition in Microsoft Excel.